Welcome to this tutorial, where we are going to learn how much can be useful a widget of SelfBi, the table. In Edit, there's the widget panel, here on the left, and here's the table too. Pick it up and the sheet gets colored in the portion to be filled. Anyway, you can compress it or stretch it to fit your needs. Now I need some data. In the data panel there is my data definition. I simply drag and drop some data names into the table. I can insert a data name into the table even several times and assign a different function to each one. I can do it in the Properties panel, and soon I'll show you how. Now that there is something to see, I'm going to work on the table. I would like to see an overview of my sales in 6 different countries. In particular, I'll focus on the total amount. First, I'm going to change the order of the columns. It's easy to do it by drag and dropping them. If I click on the column title, I can arrange its data in increasing or decreasing order. If I right-click or I stop the pointer over my table, a hint appears. It's the context menu. Here, I can choose the data order, edit the column title, remove the column, or eliminate the widget. That's not all. I can customize the table even more. I just select the widget, and here's the Properties panel. In the section Overall, I'm going to change the table name. Then, I can set these options. If I tick here, the table will be influenced by the filters that I set. By ticking here instead, the fields of my table could be set as filters. In the end, I can see the filter group membership of my widget and change it if I want. Then there is the section Data. The option Show Distinct Data is ticked by default. This means that in your table you can see values without repetitions. If this option isn't ticked, you can see all the values, even when they are identical. Below, in the subsection Selected column, more customization can be set. I can move from the selected column to another by clicking on the arrows. Then, it's possible to change the title, to force the column format, to set the data and title alignment. In this field, I can set a new function for the column. In the end, I can see that the section Date and Time handler is not enabled. I just add the data name date into the table. And now I can use it. I just want to convert these dates into semesters. Here I can do it. In the section Add, I add the year, separated by the slash. Now I can see my table in Play. In Play, I can't modify the date inside it, but I still can change the data order. You already know how to do it. Keep in mind that it's possible to go back to Edit whenever you want to set new options for your tables. Look, a complete analysis to observe. The table is one of the widgets of SelfBi that, in synergy with the other ones, allows you to discover the potential of your data in a self-service way. All you need is yourself. So now, it's your turn. Remember that your feedback makes SelfBi even more self-service. So if you have any comment or question, please contact us.